Hi, Denise from Skin Ego here. Just wanted to show you quickly when I'm talking about those facial kits for you to take home and pamper yourself in the safety of your own home. I'm just going to show you how that works. And what I do is I have these little plastic containers. They come to me packaged and sterile. Let's say we've decided that cleansing milk is the cleanser that you're going to be using. See, I'm in gloves, I'm in a mask. My area is clean. Normally I'd be in my cabine, but that is under construction, so bear with me. And this is all that's going to happen. I actually would put in more than that, but this is just for video purposes, so I'm not going to. Anyway, so once we're in there, directly into the packaging for you.